Guess who's back? Hubby's back.
Howdy.
He's back home.
I am back.
He's back. He's back home.
I'm looking for a smooth jazz channel right now for my wifey.
Yeah, because we got rid of our DirecTV. And this is our new furniture. I don't know if you guys had seen this, but we got our new furniture right here. New carpet right here for our flooring.
Yep. This is going away because it doesn't fit anymore. Let me get a smaller profile one.
Yeah, thank goodness. That's just so big and bulky. But yeah. And this is our new furniture. And as you guys can see the mess, I'm going through some stuff. I figured I would vlog today, show you guys what I'm doing. I'm going to start getting ready for fall. And I'm going through some stuff in that, not to try to move it so fast, but in that closet that I have under here. And then that over there, that box that I have over there is the dishes that we picked up at the thrift store in Reno. So I was just going to wash those and yeah.
I can't go to the auctions in Reno no more.
No.
I have no free reign.
Yeah, he was going crazy over there because he was by himself at the auction over there. No more auctions for him, at least not Reno auction.
Yeah, no, they got a plethora of auctions to choose from here in Vegas. But
Yeah,
it's not the same.
He's back home though. He's working back home. He's working from home again, and he's also going to be working in Fresno, right? Fresno and here in Vegas.
Yeah, wherever the projects take me.
Yeah,
But
and
I
so
have 7 here in Vegas.
yeah, so he has 7 projects here, which is good for me because he has he'll be here at home. So yay, hubby's home. So all right, guys, let me show you guys. I'm going through this stuff here as he's putting the smooth jazz. I'm coming over here. I don't know if you guys remember these that I had bought at the hubby bought me at the Goodwill. I think it was Goodwill in Reno. And I'm going through these. I'm going to wash them and then put them away. Also, let's see, as you guys can see, I already started taking out some stuff from that closet. My son, look at, he got me this little, oh my gosh, I had showed you guys these Funko Pops that I got for my birthday. And I had told you guys that my son had bought me the Trick or Treat Sam, and he had bought me the Hocus Pocus Witches, but my niece had gotten me the same ones. Well, he returned those, and he ordered this one for me, the Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas, and I have still one more on the way. Dr. Finkelstein or Frankenstein or whatever, the one that says Sally, him, he's gonna be coming too. So,
Sounds just like
and I'm still receiving gifts. I got a card in the mail with some money from my husband's aunt, and yeah, so still getting gifts. Even though my birthday was like about, what was it, a week and a half ago, 2 weeks?
50's like history.
I know.
She joined the club.
Yes, the 50 club.
That's right. 50 plus. 53.
Yes.
You get to me.
He's 53 and I just turned 50.
She'll catch up someday.
Yeah, no. Never, never. Never happened, baby.
Good. I'm always thinking of my low friends.
Yeah, right. That's not true. Okay, so I'm always taking care of his hummingbirds.
Whatever she says is not true.
He's obsessed with his hummingbirds. And I always take care of his hummingbirds. I buy them the nectar. I go out there and I clean their little things where you put the nectar. But for whatever reason, they love him. They think it's him who's doing this. He's their god. They always come around and sing around him and always surround him. And me,
That is not true.
they don't pay attention to me.
You should be a motivational speaker.
No, you're the liar.
No.
My friends
You
know.
have potential.
My friends know because they see me all the time taking care of that stuff, so they know.
Can't do it with
It's
contacts.
vlogged, babe. It's
Do it
vlogged.
like this. Get dramatic.
He's Mr. Dramatic Man.
Yes, ma'am.
What else can I show our friends? What else did we do that's different
What did we
that
do?
they haven't seen? I don't know. But You guys can see I have this big old mess everywhere. But look, I have bought hubby for, they're already getting all ugly, but I bought him these for our anniversary. We got married, like as soon as I turned 18. As soon as I turned 18, then we got married.
She was rocking the cradle.
Sure, the other way around. I shall show you guys. I will show you guys our new project that we're going to be working on. It's in the garage. My niece, actually, he's not looking forward to it. But I'm going to show you guys the project that we're going to be working on. And go into the garage. All right, so excuse all this mess here. This is going to be for our community yard sale that we're going to be having here. And so, but what we're going to be working on, our new project, is this right there.
You got to take off all the hardware that holds this glass.
Yeah.
Here. Take all that off and then primer, paint it, and then put everything back together again.
Yep. So my niece gave us this china cabinet. So we got it for free. Somebody gave it to her and she was going to work on it, but then she decided not to, and she gave it to us. And it's just beautiful. You can't see it again because we have all this stuff here. But we're going to go ahead and paint this guy and then bring it inside. And I just think it's so, so pretty. I mean, look at, I don't know if you guys can see some of the glass here. This is what we're going to be working on. And so I can't wait to get this done, to bring it inside the house. I think it's really, really nice. But yeah, this is our yard sale stuff. In a couple weeks, not the ladder, but in a couple weeks, we're going to be having a yard sale. And we're going to be getting rid of a lot of stuff, which is why I have to go inside and go through all our stuff, because I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of stuff to put in the yard sale.
Started on my Halloween stuff too.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, see, that's what I was saying. I can just build onto this. The arch.
Oh yeah, in the car, we went to Dollar Tree yesterday to go look for the black pool noodles, and those sell quick. But we ended up finding a bunch of purple ones, so he's gonna use the purple ones. But this is what I showed you guys when he was doing this in a vlog. I think it was Vlogtober or something like that of 2020, I think. And so, was it 2020 or I can't remember.
2019.
2019.
Yeah, we didn't do anything for 2019.
Okay, yeah, 2019. And he wants to add to this. He wants to do, now that he's here, he wants to do like the Stranger Things type of vines in the house for Halloween. Since he wasn't here last year. He came down, and last year was not a good year for us. But we didn't do anything last year for Halloween.
Keep the kitties safe because of the COVID thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, see, I have the skull like that, has in different places.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna keep incorporating. So it'll be like this, like that, all through the house.
Okay.
It'll be all viney, like if it's taking over.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll
About
see.
40 pool noodles.
Yes. Oh my God. You're still in the car, huh?
Yeah.
I'll have to show you guys.
About 40 purple.
He bought 40 purple noodles, and I wanted to get some black ones as well. And I'm such a procrastinator. I saw them there and I said, I can come back and get them. Are you the ballerina? Look at him.
That's it.
You're waiting. Okay, go ahead.
What is going on?
I'm vlogging and your dad's all like, you forgot this. And I said, okay, hold on, let me get the camera. So he's just waiting.
And introducing
He's all like, no, that's okay.
Vector.
Oh my God, this man. He acts like he doesn't want to be part of the camera, but he does.
Don't.
All right, baby, go ahead.
No, you wanted more material. No, I just pointed this out. This was something that you got for your birthday.
Yeah, I wanted more material, but
Yeah, I wanted
okay.
more material, so I didn't bring it up. But that's where we ended up installing it.
Yeah, I got this for my birthday. My sister gave me this, and I did haul this on my birthday haul, and he put it up here by the mirror, and it looks, I love it. Oh, I'm gonna start cleaning everything up. Bye. He's such a goofball. I'm going through my dishes right now, trying to get, I don't know if you guys remember them. Look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. So I'm taking these guys out because I am going to be washing them, and I told them now I can go ahead and do my tea party that I've been wanting to do for years. But I'm gonna wash these guys, dry them, put them away for now, but when our china hutch is done, they're gonna go in there so I can display them to be seen. So I already washed and dried everything, sanitized all this. These don't fit in here. Have to figure out how I'm gonna store those, but I'm taking a little time out to do some lunch. I made some last night for dinner, some green spaghetti and chicken, and so that's what we're having. Once I'm done with lunch and I put those dishes away, then we'll look at my fall stuff and see what we have for fall. I'm purging quite a bit of stuff. In this box, I have some stuff that I'm purging that I'm going to sell at the yard sale, and whatever I don't sell in the yard sale will go to the Goodwill. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my lunch, and then we'll work on our fall stuff. I have a couple of tubs out here of fall, and I'm looking at some of the stuff that I'm going to get rid of. I have a lot of these signs here. This is why I say I don't need any more stuff like these from Dollar Tree, because they bring out some really cute ones every year, and we get suckered into buying them, and then sometimes we use them and sometimes we don't. And if we do use them, we use them for the 1 year, and then that's it. They go into the pile for donations. So let's see, like these, I never use these. I bought them and I never used them. They're from Dollar Tree, and they're so cute. And maybe I could, I don't know, DIY something on the back. I don't know, but I mean, I got this one at the 99-cent store. I have made a garland with these. I have quite a bit of these type of pumpkins and those, and that's what I gave some fall stuff to my daughter, I think last year or the year before last, like the big pumpkins that I used to have. And yeah, I have these guys here that are for like a tier tray, but God, they have a lot of fallout. Yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna get rid of some stuff here. I gave my daughter my lantern. I had a lantern, and I think I'm gonna give her this bow that I made for the lantern. And I have this one. I like this one though. This one's really pretty. I've used that for a few years. But yeah, there's some stuff here, like this guy here that I made. Look at that. It's just, I'm gonna get rid of this one. This one has this pumpkin patch farm fresh. I could even reuse this, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep that. This I have had for, I'm gonna say 20 years. I got this at Joann's many years ago. So yeah, I've had that for a very long time. And yeah, see, so I have stuff like this, and I have more boxes inside that closet. I'm keeping this. I like this. But yeah, oh my God. Look at, there's that one banner that I made with Dollar Trees. Let's show you guys. See, it's just tossed in here. Nice, Ruth. I don't keep things in order here. But see, I made this one with the Dollar Tree ornaments, the pumpkin ones, and that's what this looks like. They're so cute. I don't know, I might keep this. We shall see. You can see there's, we'll see. I have these guys here that I reused. What's in here? Yeah, see, I mean, I have a lot of stuff here. This is for my niece's baby shower a couple years ago. So, yeah, I think I'm going to get rid of a few things here. But, yeah, today's vlog isn't, it's not a lot going on other than cleaning and going through my fall stuff, getting things ready for fall. Oh yeah, I was gonna show you guys those pool noodles, how we have them in the car. I think I'm gonna run to Dollar Tree right now and go get some stuff like Fabuloso to finish cleaning here. So you guys can see I'm getting there slowly. So just clearing out some of the stuff here. And yeah, making some beans in my Instant Pot, some black beans. But yeah, I think I'm gonna run to Dollar Tree and I'll show you guys those pool noodles. They're still in the car. Friends, I went to Dollar Tree and oh my God, look what I found. Permanent vinyl in this cheetah print and in this buffalo check in the black and white. And I believe I also got it in red, yeah, red and black. And then, oh my God, they had a lot of stuff. They took out a bunch of these type of stickers, different designs, and oh my God, I didn't want to buy them all because, yeah, I can go broke. But look back here. You see that? We have the box actually right there from Dollar Tree. Look at all those pool noodles. I'm just pumping gas. It's hot. It is hot, hot, hot. But anyways, and then look what they have. I only got these two styles, but if you don't have a Cricut, I mean, look at Dollar Tree is bringing these things out that you don't need one. Look at this. Aren't these adorable? And I went just for this. All right. Oh, my thing is done pumping gas. I got home and I showered. It's so hot here. My goodness. Whew. There's my hubby. We're having a refreshing snack. Grapes. They're nice and cold, but yeah, it's hot here. It's too hot here. I had to come home and take a shower. Yeah, I had to still go through a lot of Halloween and fall and Christmas stuff too. Actually, I have to go through the whole house because I'm purging quite a bit of stuff. Today, I got Dr. Finkelstein. I wanted to share that with you guys. Dr. Finkelstein arrived, and he's gonna go with my Zero and Sally and Jack. I believe I have him upstairs. And let me show him to you guys real quick. So there's Jack Skellington, the Pumpkin King, and there's Sally, and then these guys will go with them. And these are the ones that my son gave me for my birthday, along with the Sam that's Trick or Treat Sam. And all I'm missing now is Oogie Boogie. But yeah, these are some of my Funko Pops. I think I've shown them to you guys in what's in my curio cabinet. I believe I showed you guys because I have all this Disney stuff here. And then I also showed you guys my Funko Pops. So now I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog for today. I want to thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video, friends. Bye.